Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the collapsible dog bowls by Sabuy. I hope I'm saying that right. It's S-A-B-U-Y. It's a company name. Yeah, we got these a few weeks ago for our new pup that we just got. They're great travel bowls if you want to take, your dog with you on the road or on just long walks or hikes. We take them down to this little coffee shop by our house pretty often. Even though they have bowls there for dogs, we like to bring these with him, so it's just like the bowl for him, and he can have it along our walk whenever he needs water. It's always there. Obviously you can use these for any animal. It's not necessarily just dogs. I mean, cats, whatever else you have that needs water, these will work. So great for pets. The actual set comes with these two different travel bowls and then these two carabiners, which are on top. So you get the bright blue and green colors. Kind of nice. You just have one. You can always have one. Keep one washed or keep one clean or whatever. So I'll talk about the design a little bit. These are each about 6 inches, in diameter. They're pretty small bowls. What's nice is they collapse easily. So I'll show you this is what they look like when they're at full bowl. There we go. So, here's kind of a little comparative size. And this is what it looks like collapsed. So the cool thing is they do collapse down very, very easily. You can store them away either in a drawer, because they take up very little space, or you can easily hang them. We have like little hooks where we keep a lot of our keys and things like that, so you can just hang those up with the carabiners, which is also really nice. They're very, very easy to pop up and pop down. It's not hard at all. I mean, so I could do it with one hand, so 2 hands, it's like very, very quickly. The main point of these carabiners, which are pretty thin, I will say that. That's like one of the weird things about these. Is like I have carabiners on my keys and they're thicker than this, so I don't know, maybe if you want one that's a little bit stronger, you might want to get one that's heavier duty, but maybe you don't need it. I don't know. They're just a little thin, that's what I will say. But the cool thing is you can clip these to your dog's collar or their handkerchief or whatever they have on. So your dog can carry it, or you can, put it in your loopholes of your jeans and you can carry it for your dog if you're on like a hike or walk or whatever. You don't have to have it stored away. You can just have it there and out at all times whenever you need it. So super cool. The material on these, it's food grade silicone, which doesn't have a taste or a smell to it. It's totally non-toxic. This is stuff that you could use easily to eat or drink out of yourself. It's it's good for your dog. It's good for just it's healthy and it's safe. And it's also super easy to clean as well, which is awesome. You can, put these in the dishwasher if you need to. They're dishwasher safe. Or you can just, clean them out with a little sponge and brush. The design just makes it really, really easy to clean. I would say these are definitely best for smaller dogs. And I'll say this only because, well, bigger dog. We've had our neighbor's bigger dog come over, and this is when our little guy had this. And he's just like so large and clumsy compared to the bowls where he like knocked him aside and knocked him over with his like tongue, So big dogs can easily just like just tear these things apart, knock them over and whatever. It also doesn't like hold enough water for big dogs. You kind of slurp the whole thing down really quickly. So I would only recommend this if you have smaller dogs. It's not going to stand a chance, and his dog is a Great Dane, and it definitely did not stand a chance against him. So I will say only use these if you have smaller dogs. But I think these are super cool. They're super handy. Just such a good idea, that like everyone could use this if they have a dog, and they're constantly bringing their dog places. They're just very, very handy little products. So again, these are the collapsible dog bowls by Sabuy, and pick up a couple of these. Keep your dog's thirst quenched. Alrighty guys, take it easy.